Today we're going to be working with triangles again, and we're going to be classifying triangles by angles. So remember, when we classify something, we arrange it into a category or a group according to its shared characteristic, what they have in common. All right, so we're going to be classifying our triangles by the measure of their angles. All right, so there are three types of triangles by angles that we can classify. There's three groups. The first type of triangle we're going to talk about is a right triangle. Just like a right angle, a right triangle has an angle with a 90-degree measure. And we usually can tell that something measures 90 degrees by the little square. That is the little hint to let you know that something is 90 degrees. So a right triangle has one 90-degree angle. It has one 90-degree angle. And the other two angles are going to be acute because the interior angles of a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. So a right triangle is one 90-degree angle, and it's going to have two acute angles. Okay, the next type of triangle that we're going to talk about is an acute triangle. An acute triangle has all acute angles. And that means it has three acute angles because a triangle has three angles, three acute angles. All of the angles are acute. So in this example, one of the angles is 38 degrees, which is less than 90. One of the angles is 71 degrees, and this other angle over here is 71 degrees. Both of those are also less than 90. So all three angles are less than 90 degrees. The last type of triangle we're going to talk about is an obtuse triangle. So an obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. Only one obtuse angle. We cannot create a triangle with two obtuse triangles. If I tried to make a big angle here and another big angle, oops, that's terrible. Let's try that again. Here's an obtuse angle, and I tried to make another one that was obtuse. They'll never connect with each other. They'll never connect. So I can't have a triangle with more than one obtuse angle. I could have a quadrilateral, but not a triangle. So one obtuse angle, one angle that's greater than 90. So looking at this example, this angle here is 100 degrees. 100 is greater than 90. That's our obtuse angle. The other two are acute, 40 and 40. Both of those are acute angles, and both of those are less than 90. So an obtuse angle only has one angle that is greater than 90. So it has one obtuse angle. So just as a recap, a right triangle has one angle that measures 90 degrees. An acute triangle has three acute angles. All of them are acute. And our obtuse has one obtuse angle. The rest are acute. So if you have an angle that's greater than 90, it's going to be an obtuse triangle. If you have a triangle with a 90-degree angle, it will be a right triangle, and all the other triangles that have only acute angles will be an acute triangle. So on today's practice page, you're going to be classifying triangles as either right, acute, or obtuse.